We are grateful for the support and friendship that China has provided.
Mengameli Cyril Ramaphosa uhlangane namengameli waseChina lomuhla ngaphambi kwekuqala kwengqungquthela yemave eBRICS.
Of the 6 young little kids, and they felt absolutely nothing of taking an innocent life.
Kunekukhathateka emndenini nasetinhlanganweni temphakathi ukuthi ngqondvo lo wadubula wabulala Babita Deokaran eminyakeni lemibili yengcile usengakaboshwa. Kwaba kuhle kuphindze ngihlanganyele nawe mbukeli etindzabeni telulwimi lweSiswati la ku SABC 1 listed full setindlini tekusakata te-SABC e-Auckland Park eJozi lishonile. Kanzi ungakhohlwa mawuphuthelwe ungaphindze utitfole futhi etinkundleni tekuxhumana kanye na ku YouTube ngekuthi SABC Tindzaba.
Xhumana ne-SABC News. Shayele ngetindzaba letishisako. Tindzaba nje. Kusiluma indlebe lento bangabe ngitiphi tinkethe enikhungethene ngomphakathi. Sishayele ku 011 714 6133 noma usithumele i-email ku news@sabc.co.za. I-SABC News live lakho itimele ayithathi hlangothi.
Mengameli Cyril Ramaphosa uhlangane namengameli waseChina lomuhla ngaphambi kwekuqala kwengqungquthela yemave eBRICS. Mengameli Ramaphosa uncome kakhulu ilive leChina ngekusekela lelive etikhatsini letimatima.
Mengameli Cyril Ramaphosa umukele mengameli waseChina Xi Jinping Union Buildings ePitoli elihambeni lwakhe lombuso lolusemthethweni. Kwemukela lomholo ukucutsheliswa letayelekile lokuchunyiswa kwesibhamu. Emva kwalokho bese uthola lithuba lekuhlola umbutho wetembi. Leli selihlandla lesine mengameli waseChina avakashela kuleli. Lamaveke bese asayinda ivumelwano tekusebenzisana kuqinisa ubudlelwane bawo etinhlangothini letahlukene. Ethula inkulumo yakhe mengameli Cyril Ramaphosa uthite kube yinhlokotho enkulu kwemukela mengameli Xi Jinping kuleli.
We are grateful for the support and friendship that China has provided as we worked to rebuild and transform our country after the devastation of apartheid.
Aphawula ngale ngqungquthela iBRICS mengameli Xi Jinping uthite imcoka kakhulu ukuqinisa ubudlelwane nekusebenzisana emkhathini kwalamavele amalunga.
This summit has important significance for stepping up solidarity and cooperation among BRICS countries, promoting the BRICS cooperation mechanism and its growth. As the rotating chair of BRICS, South Africa has done productive work in preparation for the summit. China highly commends this.
Le ngqungquthela ecade lomuhla kulenzeleke ukuthi iphele ngalesine mhla tinge-20 kulenyanga leSetulu. Kulenzeleke ukuthi mabhalane jikelele wamhlahlangene Antonio Guterres ethule inkulumo kule ngqungquthela. Etindzabeni te-SABC nginguSidumo Dlamini eJozi.
Sihlalo we-ANC velonke Gwede Mantashe uthi umholi wele Brazil lophinza uhole i-Workers' Party of Brazil Lula da Silva ubanikete seluleko lesicatha mayelana nekubuswa kwelive ngekubambisana. Da Silva ke abenemhlangano netikhulu te-ANC ngaphandle kwalowo we-BRICS loqhubekako eSandton. Lo mhlangano ubanjelwe tukwebudlelwane lobuhle emkhathini welicembu lelibusako nalelo lalengamele Da Silva eBrazil. Kanti ke Mantashe uphinze wathi hlelo lwemacembu laphikisako kulelu lwe-moonshot te lwasebenda ngobe lusungulwe live leMelika.
We also drew a very important lesson on how they manage question of coalitions, because there is no party that is a majority party. They piece together ideas of various parties, and he gave us a very important lesson that what works there is the question of respecting each other. If you respect others and they don't respect you, that arrangement will not work. And it's quite important to learn from Brazil. It's quite, BRICS is the home for 42% of the population of the world, but we're actually contributing to 2% of the GDP of the world. That gap between 42 and 32 reflects the level of development in BRICS countries. That is what we should be closing. And the question of focus on poverty, the issue of focusing on unemployment is quite important for all countries.
Sikubutile mbukeli ukuthi mbamba lizuzani live lonke naliphelele kule mihlangano lefana nalowe BRICS lobanjwe kuleli uphendvule kanje.
Noma ngingazi ukuthi izohlumula kangakanani iningizimu Afrika kule ngqungquthela kodwa ngilindele ukuthi ibe nezithelo ezinhle kulelizwe lakithi mhlambe futhi na kwiAfrika yonkana sibone osomabhizinisi bethola ukuxhaseka.
Nasendabeni ugesi ngathi izawuhlumula kakhulu ngoba ngithe mawubhekile manje ngibona vele kuyasayinwa neChina lapha izinto eziningi zokuhwebelana.
Akukho okuzohlonyulwa iningizimu Afrika kodwa kuzoqhubeka nje kuhlomule omongameli nongqongqoshe.
South Africa izokuhlomula ngelwazi nangegezi mfathi igezi sithwenya kakhulu ngiyathemba ukuthi ngeBRICS izokuhlomula kakhulu inebambisene namazwe amakhulu njengabo China nabo Russia.
iBRICS ize nawo umnotho ngoba asikwazi ukuthi omengameli abaningi kangaka bamazwe ahlukene bavakashela izwe lethu bese singatholi lutho.
iSouth Africa izohlomula kakhulu kungqungquthela iBRICS ngoba lamazwe akhona laphana azohlala kuzingqungquthela aphethe imali nathi izohlomula soMzantsi Afrika. Jehova unathi this time around.
Lona ngumbono wembukeli iSABC ngeke yetfeste ukuthi phendvulela ngawo. Sihlahliselwe kumhlati ngemashumi lamathathu enyangeni yembala lonyaka sicelo sekubuketwa kweparole yembulali Donovan Modli. Lesicelo sihlahliswe inkantolo lephakeme yaseJozi lomuhla ekseni.
Modli uyenkantolo lephakeme ngekufuna ukuthi ibekele eceleni isinqumo sebhodi yeparole yachitha ukukhululwa kwakhe ejele. Imitamo yakhe yachithwa kulandela ukuthi imininingwane yakhe ibebede letinye timfundo letibukwako ekutheni ungakhululwa ngeparole. Modli watfolakala lelicala wagwetshwa nga-2005 ngekuthumba nekubulala umfundzi wenyuvesi iBond Lee Matthews emva kokuthi amdubule ambulale nga-2004. Wagwetshwa atsi likajele ngekubulala iminyaka lelishumi yekuthumba nalelishumi yakufuna kukhokhelwa imali ngekusebenzisa kwesabisa. Kusenjalo bameli bemndeni kaMatthews bajoyina lempi yenkantolo lapho khonalo ludzaba luhlalisiwe kubaniketa isikhathi sekwengeta tetfulo tabo encwadzini lefungelwe kuphendvula kuloludzaba.
Mr. Modli did not include us in today's application to court, and we are saying the victims have a voice, they have a right, and they should be present today. So today we of course only unfortunately found out on the 18th on Friday evening that the matter was going to be heard today. So we've brought an urgent application to be allowed to intervene in the proceedings.
Sekubonakala khona ukuthi loludzaba luhamba lufika phina luphinze lubile enkantolo ngenyanga yemphala.
Kunekukhathateka emndenini nasetinhlanganweni temphakathi ukuthi ngqondvo lo wadubula wabulala Babita Deokaran eminyakeni lemibili leyengcile usengakaboshwa. Emadvodza last fupha ethweswe licala agwetshwa inkantolo lephakeme yaseJozi lomuhla kanzi endez vumelwano nembuso. Deokaran lobekasikhulu setetimali etiko letemphilo eJozi wahlaba umkhosi mayelana nekhishwa kwamathenda ngalokungemtsetfo kuleli tiko.
Ngemva kwekubulawa kwaDeokaran kwaboshwe emadvodza lasithupha kanti ke inkantolo lomhla itshelwe ukuthi umsola wekucala lobekasebenza ematekisini Phakamani Hadebe wancuswa nguKhanyisani Mpungose kusasele emaviki lokusoconga kwendeke. Hadebe wabese uhlanganisa licembu lelatshelwa ukuthi kumele lisoconge Deokaran. Kunenkolelo yekuthi ngumpungose lo wadubula Deokaran kanti kuthiwa usagcwele tiganga. Bosithupha ke labasebhokisini balivumile lelicala.
They all received sentences ranging from 6 years up until to 22 years. This is after they entered into a plea and sentence agreement with the NPA. Of course, as the NPA, we had to ensure that we follow due processes.
Honestly, it makes us sick to our stomach. The mere fact that of the 6 of them, not one of them showed an ounce of remorse. But the sad reality and the sad part of it is, of the 6, 5 of them have young little kids, and they felt absolutely nothing of taking an innocent life.
Kwethenjwa ukuthi nanobe letinkhabi seticalile sigwebo sato, ngqondvo naloyo lowadubula nabo batawubanjwa.
Basiphohlongo labo ticelo tabo temukelelwe esikhundla sekuba ngumvikeli wemphakathi. Bemukelwe luphiko lwetekuphepha eveni, lwemaphoyisa kanye netekuqasha ePhalamende.
Soliphothuli welhlolo labantu labagacela isikhundla sekuba ngumvikeli womphakathi lomusha. Loluhlolo balufake ekhatsi kuthola ukuthi lamalunga kamangende ebugebengu phambili nokuthi aneticelo etifanele yini. Laba labasiphohlongo sebatawuhlolelwa emakhono.
Because we want to understand his or her value system, experience in actually championing constitutional values.
Umhlangano wegcina wamalunga ePhalamende ngaphambi kwaloluhlolo bawuhlose ukuthola ukuthi ngabe lilunga ngalinye lePhalamende litawunikeza isikhathi lesingakanani sekubuta imibuto nekuthi labantu labahlolako batawunikeza isikhathi lesingakanani ngamunye kuphendvula yonke lemibuto. EFF isebenzise lo mhlangano kucela umvikeli womphakathi lobambe kwesikhashana kuthi angabi ingcenye loluhlelo.
Can the acting PP step aside out of this process?
Kepha ibese ivalwa umlomo.
We must respect Honorable Mautwe's strong views that she is carrying, but we must indicate to her chair that from tomorrow and Thursday, this team will have two opportunities. If there's any issue you want to raise with a particular candidate, we have two opportunities. It will be the interviews, the one-on-one with that candidate, and we're going to have deliberations as the committee.
Bantu labane labagacelela esikhundla batawuhlolwa kusasa kuthi ke labanye labane bahlolwe ngalesine. Loluhlolo lutawuqala ngensimbi yemfica ekuseni. Emalunga emphakathi atawuthamela loluhlolo kudo tonke tinkundla tePhalamende.
Kuletinye uma sibuya etitolo ithi iyakwemukela kubekwa kwemalunga latimbunga kuleli qembu ukuthi ancede emalungiselelweni elukhetho lweminyaka lotako. Asiphinze sikwemukele esigabeni sesibili seTindzaba nawusanza kungena siseTindzabeni delilwimi leSiswati la ku SABC ukhethe kahle. Bekulusuku lolumunye kutati temthetho njengobe bedvalelisa lijaji Francis Lekhodi lothatha umhlala phansi ngemuva kwekusebenta kutemthetho eminyaka lenge-40. Lekhodi waba lijaji lekuqala embombela kubekwa njenga judge president kanti lokho kwendeka nga-2017. Uthi kumatima kutfola bantfu labawatiko umsebenzi wabo kulomkhakha wetemthetho kanti labasebenta naye bametfule lesigqoko.
And please, ladies and gentlemen, our every morning diary session was our best moments with Mugo. He would give us teachings that no man can give you. The true lessons of life that Mugo gave us, they will forever be engraved in our hearts.
Kube khona kuhlangahlangana kwemiva ngalesikhathi kuvaleliswa lekhodi. Kanzike lekhodi bekatiwa njengemholi lonebuntu aphinze anesandla lesiqinile uma kufika emsebentini wakhe. Lo mkanjubovu kutemithetho loneminyaka lenge-60 nemfica uchazele luhambo lwakhe nje lweminyaka le-6 njengalobe lusifundwa futhi kube ngoluluhle.
I could have been at the SEA, but I chose to come back and do the last lap of servanthood, and for that the journey has been a pleasant one because one was happy that I am in good hands.
Lekhodi utawukhunjulwa ngulabo lebekathi asebenta nabo njengemuntu lube yahambisa embili emalungelo eluntu kanye nekuphatha wonke umuntu ngenhlonipho.
I-ANC KwaZulu-Natal ithi iyakwemukela kubekwa kwemalunga latimbunga kuleli qembu ukuthi ancede emalungiselelweni elukhetho lweminyaka lotako. Dr. Zweli Mkhize, Dr. Nkosazana Dlamini Zuma, Bheki Cele, Senzo Mchunu kanye na Mike Mabuyakhulu ngulabanye bebaholi labathunyelwe kutewusita i-ANC ukuthi ichube lo mkhankaso wayo welukhetho. Leli qembu belixoxisana nebeTindzaba eThekwini ngemuva komhlangano walo wekomiti.
Ikomkhulu le-ANC eLuthuli House yenza konke okusemandleni ukuqinisekisa ukuthi i-ANC iyaqhubeka nokuphatha lesi sifundazwe ngemuva kokhetho. Ngesonto eledlule unobhala jikelele we-ANC uMnumzana uFikile Mbalula uhambele lesifundazwe kanye nabanye ke amalungu esigungu esiphezulu seqembu. Phakathi ke kwezinye izinqumo ezithathiwe ukuthi kujutshwe amalungu ke asemkantshubovu eqembu ukuzosiza abaholi besifundazwe ngaphambi kokhetho. Unobhala we-ANC kulesifundazwe umnomzane uBheki Mtolo uyichithile ke imbiko ethi kukhona ke abanye abaholi lapha esifundazweni abangahambisani nokuqokwa kuka Mike Mabuyakhulu.
It was an agreement that we really need a reinforcement to make sure that we expand our human resource capacity. What we should not run away is that experience in the movement and anywhere, even in corporate world works.
Leli qembu alenzi kahle neze kwimphumela yokhetho yokuchibiyela yakamuva. Kusenjalo uMtolo uzwakalise ungasiqondi kahle isinqumo sesigungu esiphezulu sobuholi bophiko abesifazane ku-ANC sokuba kuhlakazwe ubuholi obusanda bukhethwa esifundazweni.
I think also the Women's League NEC to where we sit as the PCs that sometimes I think they miss many steps in the process. For example, in the constitution of the Women's League and the ANC, there's no nullification.
Ubuholi be-ANC esifundazweni buthi kuzoqhubeka nokusebenzisana nobuholi obusanda bukhethwa ke ophikweni lwabesifazane lapha esifundazweni kuze kube ke kuxazululwa lezi inkinga eziphathelene nalengqungquthela. NginguSimphiwe Makhanya wezindaba ze-SABC eseThekwini.
Labo bekudzabuka eZimbabwe labangakakhoni ukubhalisela kuvota elukhethweni la kulelave bathi bathemba ukuthi labo labakhonile ukubhalisa batawusita kakhulu ekuletheni lushintsho kule live lelungumakhelwane. Bangetulu kwa 6 million bantu baseZimbabwe lekulinzeleke ukuthi bavote kusasa elukhethweni lemengameli nemalunga eParliament kanye newemkhandlu. Kulinzeleke umthamo losetulu wetimoto letibuya eZimbabwe ngasekupheleni kwaleli viki. Inyoni ledle umhlanganiso kulomnyaka losetulu isebungotini bekushabalala. Asixolise ngaloko mbukeli kanzi kunginyalo siseTimakethe. Kanti nasivakashela eTimakethe tetimali sithola ukuthi licathaniswa netimali takulamanye emave. Nathi longa tilinzela lethambe embili kuligwalagwala FM nyalo ngensimbi yesithupha.
Mengameli Cyril Ramaphosa ubonge uhulumende olive leChina ngekusita iningizimu Afrika emtemeni yayo yekunqoba lenkinga yagesi lehlasele lelive. Takhamutita se-Islington akhonokhu kulesifundza sempumalanga tivalise kwetfuka kwato ngemva kwekubulawa kwagogo kanye nabatukulu ababili endlini yabo.
Mbukeli tiyagoqa intalomuhla asibonge isikhathi sakho kanzi ungakhohlwa sikhona futhi ngolwesine khona la ku-SABC ngesikhathi lesifanako. Kusasa batabe bakhona abalingani bethu besindebele nisale kahle.
Ngiphinze nginamukele kunasisimo selitulu babukela emakhaya sanibona nasibona namhla kusilo hla imvula nemoya sibona ngathi kunemoya cishe eveli lonke kanti kubonakala umoya lohambisana emsengalo labanzako longenako lapha eligwini lapha mathuba emvula ngagcina safe khona ku-80% letinye tindzawo kanti letinye indzawo acala khona ku-30% umoya ugijima ufike khona ku-30 kilometers ngeli-hour kanti babukela emakhaya masipolo banzawo longenako kusho khona ukuthi kutabe kubanza letinye tindzawo kakhulu la eningizimu yelive kanti-ke nala eligwini lapha eThekwini babukela emakhaya kubonakala mathuba emvula ngasafe kanti sexese sibuya khona iSouth African Weather Service kubonakala ngathi kena lwandle luthukuthele lapha eningizimu lelive lapha entshonalanga kaba lapha eCape Town babukela ekhaya kubonakala ukuthi ngathi kena lwandle luthukuthele kakhulu kunomoya lomkhulu obonakalako kanti ke lawo moya lomkhulu ubelehle nazela lakusasa kanti ke uyanyukela utawungehla khona la eningizimu lapha eMpumalanga Kapa kanti ke sibonakala sexese lesiqhamuka khona iSouth African Weather Bewethayo kwemlilo kubonakala khona lapha emadlelweni lapha enhlane live kule sicaphile sebenzisa ngomlilo ukuze singadali ingodi bakule emakhaya singena khona lapha ifuthumela kungelive lapha eGauteng iJohannesburg itawucala khona lapha ku12 nyuko ku29 Johannesburg ku27 kanti iPitoli licala ku12 nyuko ku29 Springs licala ku7 nyuko ku27 kanye neFerrenham kanti ke iCarltonville licala ku9 nyuko ku26 nyuko khona lapha esifundeni salapha eLimpopo Musunihleti khona ku37 Polokwane licala ku10 nyuko ku32 lifuthumela lapha eMkopane licala ku15 nyuko ku32 bakule emakhaya singehlela lapha eMpumalanga kanti indzaweni lapha esikhukuza hlethi khona ku31 Bombe licala ku15 nyuko ku28 kanye neCarolina kanti Emily licala ku9 nyuko ku25 eMkhondo hlethi khona ku26 sihla indansi esifundeni salapha eKwaZulu Natal lavakashela lapha eThekwini lifuthumele hlethi khona ku26 kanye neRichards Bay kanti Lundi licala ku30 nyuko ku31 Krokstad licala ku6 anyuko khona ku24 singena khona lapha eMpumalanga Kapa lapha endaweni yapha eMthatha hlethi khona ku23 kanti Maletswa icala khona ku3 nyuko khona ku20 Credo icala ku4 nyuko ku18 so Mr 8 East icala khona ku8 anyuko khona ku16 kanti eCebega hlethi khona ku17 Entshonalanga Kapa bole emakhaya hlethi khona ku14 lapha eCape Town usaqala khona ku9 anyuko khona ku14 nakhona kanti Beckford West icala khona ku8 nyuko ku17 eGeorge hlethi ku18 emva kwamadina kanti Hlavelanga iyavela kuletinye indzawo bakule emakhaya singena khona lapha esifundeni safe lesikhulu nazo tonke singena lapha eUppington hlethi khona lapha ku20 kanti Calvin icala ku6 nyuko khona ku13 Kurumani hlethi khona ku22 kanti ke lapha eDR icala nyuko khona lapha ku17 esifundeni safe lapha eFree State lapha eFrankfurt icala khona ku6 nyuko ku27 Krokstad icala ku5 nyuko ku24 kanye neVelcom kanti Bloemfontein icala khona ku0 exen lapha nawe phana kuyabanza hlethi khona ku21 esifundeni safe segcina bakule emakhaya lapha eNorthwest siyabona ukuthi endaweni lapha eFreiburg hlethi khona ku25 kanti iTosca hlethi khona ku30 emva kwamadina ngathi ngilokule ngiphathe kona nisaleni kahle